Guys, today I'm reviewing the new Majestic Quartz Platinum Series versus the Napoleon Altitude. Now, the Napoleon Altitude has been our #1 selling gas fireplace. Now, here's the thing. This isn't just your regular fireplace review. What it is, I'm gonna actually talk about these two models because they're sort of just a tier above like this most base grade, I don't wanna say piece of junk, but kind of most base grade fireplace we sell. This is a slight upgrade from that, and unfortunately it's been a category that's been ignored far too long. People are making like super base grade units, or they're making really luxury expensive units, and a lot of energy has not been put into this category where you want something just slightly nicer than base grade at an affordable price. And that's what we're talking about in this video is are these the two best fireplaces on a budget? That's really what this video is about, and talking about what to look for when you're shopping for a fireplace on a budget. Let's go. If you're interested in one of these fireplaces, always, of course, give us a shot at the business. Way too many times people are educated on our channel, and then we never really get a shot at the business, and they either buy local, which is fine, or they buy from one of our online competitors without even offering to give us the business. So if you appreciate these videos, call us, give us a chance to earn the business. We certainly appreciate it. All right, don't forget guys, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, come to our showroom today and check out all of our fireplaces, barbecues. We have a new golf channel, we'll include the link below. Yeah, you can actually come to our showroom, play golf. I know, it's awesome. Okay, so here's like one of the, I'm gonna let you in on a little trade secret that is not very well known to the general public. This fireplace right here, which is the Heatolator Novus, this fireplace goes in, I'd say 90% of tract homes in Colorado, actually, I would say nationwide. They work out contracts with either the fireplace showrooms, contractors, designers, builders. They're putting these in for under $1,000. They're probably charging you guys to add a fireplace to a new construction house, $5,000 or $6,000, easy. Now, why am I saying that? Well, one, my little tip to you is skip the fireplace if you're building a new tract home. Unless you're doing a custom home and you can pick what you want. A lot of these tract homes don't let you pick your own fireplace. You either get a fireplace, yes or no, which I think is the stupidest thing I've ever heard. When you're building the house, do you get countertops? Yes or no? No, you get like, all right, here's your 5 choices of countertops. But with the fireplace, they say, do you want a fireplace? Yes or no? Now, I know it's a little bit different because certain fireplaces are spec'd in on the permits and they can't really change it that easy, framing dimensions, that type of thing, and they're just slapping them together. But you get the point. I can't tell you how many $1 million homes I've seen that have a less than $1,000 fireplace in it. Now, this fireplace doesn't retail for $1,000, but that's what they're paying to install them, which you're getting ripped off. You're getting basically a piece of junk fireplace, and you're gonna pay a premium price for it. Skip the fireplace, hire a contractor after you move in and put in your own fireplace. That's what I would do 10 times out of 10, and it's not even close if you're building a regular tract home in a regular neighborhood. All right, so that brings me to what can you get for slightly more money? So this fireplace here retails around $2,500, most base grade unit. Pretty much comes stripped down. You're gonna have it on a switch, like here, no blower, almost no heat. I mean, you could set a couch in front of this thing and nothing's gonna happen to your couch. Super, super basic. So for only 25% more, these are our two best sellers, and Majestic just redesigned this model to give you a lot more value for your money. So both of these fireplaces retail for just under $4,000, you know, sort of base grade setup. But you get a lot of upgrades for your money for just a little bit more. One being a lot more heat. So they're gonna heat a lot better. When you stand by both of these, you're getting considerable amount of more heat. The second thing you're getting is thermostatic remote controls. So you can program these to a thermostat, and then wherever your remote is sitting is where it's gonna read, and the fireplace can turn itself on and off. Just right there is at least a $500 upgrade because they have to put a different valve in there, and then of course the remote control itself. So you get a huge upgrade with the remote control system. Also, I mentioned you get more heat, and then aesthetically, what do you think, Chris? These look a lot better than our base grade units.
They do.
Yeah, much better flame. The Napoleon Altitude, I think, has been our best seller because Like I said, you're getting a fireplace for under $4,000, which in 2023, post-inflation, is actually a really good price for what you get. Also, blowers are pre-installed on them. The remote controls can also operate the blowers, but of course, more heat is going to mean a bigger flame and better aesthetics. So you can see we have a much better flame in this Napoleon. I think it's really helped the sale of this fireplace, is that you can get an affordable fireplace, but it's still going to be very attractive. So we got a nice big flame, and then you have a ton of panel options, and I think that really reflects the flame nicely. Sort of these reflective panels that are in here with the white birch logs, I think really contrasts really nice. And we'll show you what's really cool about the Napoleon is I think you have 4 different log choices and 8 or 9 brick panel options, and then 4 or 5 different front options. So aesthetically, you can really do a lot with it versus like a base grade unit. What you see is what you get. There might be 2 or 3 front options, but not a lot going on. Same thing with the Majestic Quartz. There's 3 or 4 front options. You can see much better flame in here. And then also, neat little trick here, they have these LED light strips in the front that kind of look like more like glowing coals on here. So again, Majestic was kind of like Heatolator for a while, where they pretty much just had base grade units, and then their in-between stuff was just not very good. And then their high-end stuff was really good. This is sort of an in-betweener that they've updated that's actually a really good fireplace now. And I think it looks good, it's good value, it's easy to install, you know, it fits in tight spaces, the flame is much better, and again, performance-wise, you're gonna get considerably more performance. So that's kind of what this video was like today. Is I'm so sick of walking into $1 million houses and seeing $1,000 fireplaces in them. You don't see, you know, $1,000 appliances in them. You don't see junky base grade countertops in them. No, you see upgraded hardwood floors, you see upgraded appliances, you see upgraded countertops. But for some reason, we don't see any upgrades in the fireplace department. Why? It's because they're getting so much markup on these little basic guys. They're buying 200 at a time for $500-600 bucks. It's $1,000 installed, easy, all day long. They're charging you 5 or 6 and you're getting ripped off. Don't put in a fireplace in a track home. Skip it, pay to do it afterwards. Come see a showroom like ours. Now, I know you're saying that's biased, this is a plug. It's not. Like, I don't care if you buy it from us or not. Of course, we appreciate when you buy your fireplaces from us. It supports us, and of course, it's gonna give us more business if you wait to put in a fireplace after the fact, because we're not the type of fireplace company that's going slapping 10 of these in a day. We deal with direct-to-consumer retailers. We do work with some contractors, but really, our bread and butter is educating consumers and homeowners, people that are watching these types of YouTube videos. So that's my little spiel. That's my advice to you. If you're building a new track home and they're charging you $5,000 or $6,000, figure out what fireplace it is. Call us, we'll help you with it. If it's one of these base grade units, we can tell you whether or not to skip it and do it after the fact.